Let's start. Today we will see how to implement a checkbox list view in Flutter Android. Let's see the main.dart file. First, we import the material.dart package. Then, we create the stateless widget called MyApp in the main function. This is the MyApp stateless widget. We create a material app and apply a theme in the build function. The home attribute is set to a stateful widget called MyHomePage. This is the MyHomePage stateful widget. Here we create a state object of this stateful widget, whose name is _MyHomePageState. This is _MyHomePageState class. Here we will design our app. First, we have a list of strings as a data member. This is a list of ABCD alphabets. We will use this list to populate the list view. Also, we have a list of Boolean variables, which handle the check status of each checkbox. In the build function, we have a scaffold widget upon which we will build other widgets. The AppBar attribute is set to the AppBar widget. We have used the title variable as the title of this AppBar. The body attribute is set to the listview.builder widget. The item count is set to the number of items in the ABCD alphabet list. Inside the item builder, we design how an individual item of the list view would look like. First of all, we have a column widget. The first item in the column is a row widget. Inside the row, we have a checkbox widget. The value of the checkbox comes from the Boolean list. Initially, all the checkboxes would be unselected. When a checkbox is clicked, we toggle its check status. Then we have a text widget, which acts as the name of our checkbox. The value comes from the ABCD alphabets list. Then we have a divider widget. This will create a line separation between two elements of the list view. Let's run the app. So that's it. That's how you can create a checkbox list view in Flutter Android. Thank you.